Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how much you've either won or lost on Pokerstars using the total net deposits tool. So log into Pokerstars, go over to the right hand section, there's a tools icon in there that launches the tools section, then go down to history and stats, and then all the way down here total net deposits, click in there. And this is slightly embarrassing because it shows that I'm actually a losing player on Pokerstars, but you can see here in USD you've deposited $278 over your entire account's lifetime. This has been going back for me since the 1st of April 2017, with withdrawals 143.76. So that, and then transfers as well, has been $90 as well. So essentially I'm $134.95 down on Pokerstars. So anyway guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. Thanks.